good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are doing a follow-up video on Bittensor TAO. We have done a video on this on the past. It's just in the juicy area that I just have to bring it to our attention. If you are interested in videos like this, guys, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button for notifications. As these videos come out, you get it right away. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much. And here we go, right here, starting it off on the monthly. You can see that we are officially underneath the wicks of the previous lows, and we actually just are basically tickling the absolute last low, but it is a higher low. So the potential of this being the doji bottom candle is there within the 24 days of this month is what we need to wait and find out if it's going to take out the last low or not. Right now, everything does look good for upside continuation. Volume wise, you can see all the volume of the selling is almost basically over, but this new month is too fresh to be able to tell if this is going to be the doji or not. So be aware of that moving forward. If we go to a weekly, lot of selling is occurring right now. Okay, so pretty much it's gonna be coming to a close soon. Here was your last doji after the wick, and then you just took the liquidity out of that doji. So if we're gonna reverse, it should be soon. Okay, here are the drawings that we had in our last video. We were already looking for this area to be the accumulation area. If we lose 276, then we said, hey, we're gonna go look for it over here at around $97. You're at 213, which is basically $100 above where it needs to be. This doodle here for this expanding wedge that we were looking for is just null and voided. You see this edge, the left shoulder came into the dead cat bounce and then rejected, and that's why we're looking for this lower level. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start removing doodles. So we don't need this channel because it failed. We don't need that. It failed. This doodle, I'm looking for it to come from over here now. This inverse head and shoulder is playing out right now. This bull flag broke down, so it's basically neutral. That's why I'm switching it to white. This is where we're looking for that upside continuation from. Like this. And yeah, that should be good. We don't even need this here. You don't need this here. I'll leave that there. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it like this, okay? Because right now we're assuming we're gonna go down here, but we have to have the hope of a higher low here, okay? Because this candle is about to close in about 11 hours, so that is basically where the low is gonna be as of right now. I'm trying to see how high I want this range to go. I will keep it here for now. And that is a dangerous dead cat bounce area, and that's why I have colored it red. This order block is not needed anymore. And yeah, this looks peachy. This looks pretty good to me right now. So what is the situation after we cleaned up the doodles? We are basically looking for when the resistance is going to be broken to the upside, and it goes like right like that. So that is your main level of resistance. This uptrend, just remove it for now. This is where we're at right now. Even if we go down, we'll look for the liquidity grab and then a reversal here. Even if we go up, 276 is a major level of resistance. Your dead cat bounce is going to be into this level. Even if you do an expanding wedge, it's going to be into this level, and then come retest the bottom of this channel before you have upside continuation. Okay, that's what this is. This channel of this red channel is basically, I'll make it like blue. Let's make it the nuclear purple channel. Okay, any lower than this is basically I would be not trying to play with this anymore. I would be waiting until I see an uptrend. Right now, you're in a very harsh downtrend. You're looking for the doji pivot on the weekly. Yes, maybe this week will be it, but if this week is not, the next week you can look for it to take out that liquidity at 161. If you lose 161, look for a dead cat bounce into 130, and if we do touch the 96.6, I am not looking for any more lower under that. I'm looking for straight reversal, or just I'm gonna give up on this. 1 or 2% stop loss from here, I'm giving up on it, because that means there's probably much more damage coming to other markets, and this is something that you guys need to be aware of. The whole market as a whole, equity wise, took a very very big deep dive Thursday and Friday, about maybe 3,000 points. Crypto stood still and went sideways. We have not seen the drop on crypto, and crypto is the easiest liquidable asset. During all the major dumps, crypto took a hit harder than equities. So be aware that crypto is due for a liquidity grab. So that's why I'm saying people looking for this not to happen is it should be ready. I myself am long on ETH, and I know that this is not the easiest long I'm going to take. This is the one long I'm going to take that I'm ready to take a loss on, because it's so low that if we lose this level, this major support around 1780 to 1750, we're basically gonna go and hunt liquidity way, way, way deeper. Like I'm talking about a $200-300 capitulation move from 1780 to like 1500s to 1200s. Okay, Ethereum Foundation's liquidation level is around 1200, so that's where the next liquidity grab will be, if I'm assuming. So just be aware that if ETH and Bitcoin take a tumble, everything is going to take a tumble, because these two market cap leaders are holding the rest of the market up. And you can see, look at this nasty gap you have on CME. You have a $2,000 gap on CME and about $20-30 gap on ETH. Those gaps are going to eventually get taken care of today. So just be aware of that moving forward. And yeah, aside from that, guys, as long as this weekly closes like this, next week we want to see less selling volume. Even if you come into this area and tap it, you want to see a single failure pattern and immediate buying after that, and reversal straight out of here. On a weekly, we don't look like the juice is there, but on daily, it's possible. It all depends on how we close today. If the daily closes above 200, I'm looking for the next daily open, Sunday open, and just do a straight short squeeze, and then roll over Monday at the end of the day, or Tuesday at the end of the day. Too much opportunity has been given for people to enter in shorts at these levels, that if anyone does enter in a short now, they more than likely will become liquidity for a short squeeze dead cat bounce into the real short entry when markets open on Monday, Tuesday, for that rollover downside into deeper liquidation territory. So that's what I'm assuming. Aside from that, guys, if you have any other questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you in the next video. Today is Sunday. It's around 8 a.m. So keep in mind, in about 12 hours is when all the fireworks will occur. And then tomorrow we will make a video as to what we expect the week to be, when I wake up in the morning and see what the candles did after the daily open. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. If you have a suggestion for the asset of the video tomorrow, let me know and I'll do the video on that. And aside from that, if you could just leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day and be safe.